go. Ooh. Get into position. Okay, so if you guys hear weird sounds in the background, it sounds like maybe there's a dog existing in the background.
Just dog mom things.
In today's video, your girl will be transforming into the opposite of what she looks like naturally, hopefully. So basically I was like, oh my god, what do I film today? And then I posted to my Instagram story,
Hey bitches, tell me what to film.
not in those words of course, but I was like, you know, what are some ideas, guys? What should I film? And you guys were like, at least y'all said a lot of different stuff, but one of you guys in particular said you should try to make yourself look completely different with just using makeup and clothes. Like, change your appearance completely. So I got to thinking, I was like, you know, that does actually sound pretty damn fun. Also, if I'm gonna do this and I look like me right now with silvery blonde hair, it looks like it could be like gray, right? Basically, guys, I'm gonna try to turn myself into your grandma. So yeah, that's like the title I have in mind, is like turning myself into your grandma. Maybe like grandma from hell. You know, I don't know. I'm gonna try to have fun with it and get creative though. Let's just get to work. Yeah. First, I'm gonna start with applying wrinkles. Yay.
Sexy.
So I'm not sure entirely what old lady hairstyle I'm gonna try to do. Who knows, maybe I'll be an old man. Oh my god. Okay. We're gonna add wrinkles to this bit. First, with wrinkles, I think I should use this tool, a very thin angled brush. And I'm gonna kind of, I guess, I don't know, should I look at an old lady's face or just should I like follow the wrinkles I already kind of see forming? That's so sad and depressing, but no, it's not. It's just aging, Hannah. Get over it. Wrinkles are beautiful. They're signs of growth, experience, and we will enhance that today. I'm gonna start talking like your grandma too, just watch it. Okay, so I think this Morphe palette is the best thing to use because it has a lot of cool tone colors. Like, I don't want to use something too dark though. Like, I'm thinking like this looks like it could be good for drawing wrinkles on my face. This is the Morphe 350 palette. Yes, it is ages old, but yes, I still love it. So like, that just means I stand by my word. Oh my god. Okay, this might just like look really fake though. I'm gonna try to bring out my inner Mikey from Glam and Gore because I love her so much and I know she would rock this. Oh, maybe that third line was just like uncalled for. Maybe we shouldn't do that. Just watch me think it looks so real, but it actually doesn't. No!
Oh my god.
When I look in the viewfinder, it kind of looks like real, but I don't know if it's just because I'm like it's from a distance that I am. No, that doesn't make sense. Okay, what about smile lines? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I feel like it's too thick. Oh my god. I'm gonna be scared of myself by the end of this, guys. I'm just facing old age so that it can be easier when it really comes, you know? I'm gonna face it now. This was just like the old people app, but in real life. Unless it just is me that thinks it looks a little... Oh, I should definitely make some bags. Why haven't I done that yet?
I don't know, this looks so real to me, but also so fake.
Okay, the key is making it look very faint. I'm gonna do double bags. Double bag grandma. Oh, granny. Oh my god. Come here, son. Give me some sugar. You're getting so old. No, that's not how grandmas talk. My grandson! my grandson! Why can I not make like normal facial expressions right now? My grandson. Oh, I should make my eyelids look droopy. Like more, like, I don't know, how should I? This is opposite of how you put eyeshadow on, by the way. old lady that doesn't know how to do makeup. Okay, I need to look at an old person's face real quick. Okay, so like they have wrinkles everywhere. Oh my god. After looking at this lady and then looking at the viewfinder, I actually got scared. I think the eye bags are really helping. My other idea for drawing wrinkles is using this eyebrow pencil that I've been using on the daily because it's brown and it's pretty light, and I'm gonna just try to draw lines. Trying to draw the eye squint wrinkles. And then shouldn't this even be a thing? I don't know. Chin wrinkles? Who you calling Granny? I feel like I should put something on my nose. Because I scrunch my nose a lot. I have a wrinkle there. Alright, I should definitely take out the nose ring. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw my lips on. Very small. I'm going to apply some concealer over my lips. Wow. Okay, so now I think I should put on I feel like I should put on some like dark, really brown eyeshadow. Okay, yes. So I'm feeling really proud right now, only because this looks good in the viewfinder from here. I'm gonna go put on a old lady outfit. I'm not sure what it's gonna be yet, but I think I can find something. Okay, I found the sweater. Okay, so with my hair, I know that you can see my roots, so I'm going to be putting it back with this. I'm folding this in half.
Texturizing spray.
Which I'm planning on spraying all over my hair. I feel like this headband is just making me look like a cool grandma. Transforming into your cool grandma. I also have these. I'm your cool grandma. I think I need to put my hair in a bun. Now look at you. You're not gonna go around causing no trouble, are you? I am Hannah from the future. The very, very far future. She is just doing grand. She's actually the coolest grandmother ever. Things are not the same anymore. I liked it better when nobody wore bras. Nobody reads the newspaper anymore, and it's pissing me off. Journalism is dead. Do whatever your mom says, but you don't have to. You don't want to. You know, this is America. Just kidding. Don't listen to what I'm saying right now. This is just because I didn't go to college and I'm fine. But don't tell your mom I said that. So I guess I just transformed into your cool grandma. Subscribe. But seriously, it would be nice if you subscribed. I really need to pay rent. This could be a mood. This look could be a mood. This was a lot of fun turning myself into an old lady with you guys. I look like I used to be a rock star, but then I grew up and I had like a kid and I gave up my rock star life, and then I just became a really wholesome grandma that would drop little bombs here and there about her rebel life from earlier, you know? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it for you. I'm just like staring at myself in the viewfinder now at this point because I'm like, wow, that kind of does look real. I love you. Have a cute, good and cute day. And stay hydrated forever and ever or else you'll die. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.